was a close one. Whew. All right, we're back and we're safe. Welcome, UHS hardware fans. I'm Ellie Brownstein. Let me wipe my face off. Today we're going to show you the XHorse Universal Remote Watch. Now this thing is awesome because it has all the features you want in a regular standard 4-button universal remote by XHorse, but at the convenience of your own wrist. You could just put it on whenever, take it wherever you want. As you can see, you could bring it with you on the run. Now it's pretty awesome because you may ask yourself, well, what buttons are for which? Well, they label here trunk, lock, unlock, or your engine. And if you use your VVDI Key Tool Max, you could rewrite all these functions. So let's say you have a 5-button key like this, and you rather have, instead of the remote start, the panic button, or instead of the trunk, the panic button. Right now, let's get into how to generate the remote in the first place. So before we program the watch to the vehicle itself, we have to generate the remote, just like we did with the XHorse Universal Remote. And if you haven't watched that video, I'll provide the link right now below. We'll do the similar steps. We'll be in our Key Tool Max menu, click on Vehicle Remote, search for Jeep Grand Cherokee, click the first one, make sure the FCC ID and the frequency matches, and before you click Generate Remote, what you want to do is take the watch and turn it on by pushing the middle button on the right side inwards. Then I like to fold the bottom strap and insert it from the bottom in. This will make it easier for the VVDI Key Tool Max to read the watch, as it is a little bit oversized compared to the hole you have to put in a normal remote. So once you slide it in there, press Generate Remote. It'll take about a minute or two to read. And now you have a perfectly generated remote watch. Let's go ahead and program it. At the home menu, you can switch between which devices are connected to your Key Tool Max. We're going to go ahead and select Mini OBD Tool since that's what we're using to program the universal remote key. Select IMMO Programming and enter your vehicle information. We'll follow the on-screen prompts and select Start Execution. But before we do that, we need to connect the device via Bluetooth if we haven't already. Once connected, we will select Start Execution. After that is done processing, we'll select Add Smart Keys and enter the PIN information and bring the universal remote close to the start button and clicking Unlock on the remote until we hear a reaction. Your XHorse Universal Remote Watch is now programmed and ready to use.